Amazing health benefits of clove water and how to make it at home. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible beverage to share with you that not only quenches your thirst but also provides a wide range of health benefits. It's called clove water, and you won't believe what this simple drink can do for your well-being. So, let's dive right in and explore the amazing advantages of clove water and learn how you can easily make it at home. Advantage 1. Aids digestion. Clove water has been used for generations as a natural remedy to relax the digestive system. By steeping cloves in hot water, we extract a chemical called eugenol, which has some significant health advantages. Eugenol increases the synthesis of digestive enzymes, aiding in breaking down food and absorbing essential nutrients. This makes clove water a DIY digestive tonic that can be especially beneficial for those with gut issues like IBS or IBD. And here's the scientific evidence. A study published in the journal Molecules showed that clove extract indeed improves digestion and reduces inflammation in the gut. Advantage 2. Boosts immunity. If you find yourself frequently falling sick, it's time to give clove water a try. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in the body, thereby strengthening your immune system. Scientifically speaking, a study in the Journal of Immunotoxicology found that clove extract increases the activity of white blood cells in rats, giving them a better chance of fighting infections. Advantage 3. Relieves pain. Say goodbye to pain and inflammation with a glass of clove water. Eugenol, the active ingredient in cloves, is absorbed into your bloodstream and travels to the site of pain or inflammation. There, it inhibits the production of inflammatory mediators, providing natural pain relief. Studies have also shown that eugenol activates opioid receptors in the brain, further enhancing the body's pain-relieving mechanisms. So, whether it's arthritis or muscle pain, clove water has got you covered. Advantage 4. Controls blood sugar levels. For those worried about blood sugar spikes, clove water offers a warm and spicy alternative to sugary drinks. Compounds found in cloves improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. And the best part? It doesn't taste like medicine. Studies have demonstrated the blood sugar regulating effects of cloves in people with type 2 diabetes, making clove water a smart choice for your overall health. Advantage 5. Enhances liver function. Think of clove water as a boost for your liver. Compounds from cloves are transported to your liver through the bloodstream, reducing inflammation and neutralizing harmful toxins. Researchers have found that clove extract can even improve general liver function and reduce signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. Advantage 6. Supports oral health. Want to freshen up your oral hygiene routine? Clove water is the way to go. Eugenol, with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, fights harmful bacteria and reduces inflammation in the mouth. So, no more awkward moments with bad breath. Advantage 7. Supports respiratory health. Cloves contain substances like flavonoids and phenolic acids that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the respiratory system. This can potentially improve lung function and reduce the risk of respiratory infections. Soothing sore throats and coughs is just an added bonus. Advantage 8. Enhances skin health. Clove water isn't just a refreshing drink. It can work wonders for your skin too. With its high antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory characteristics, clove water protects your skin from environmental aggressors and keeps it looking young and vibrant. Advantage 9. Alleviates tension and anxiety. Feeling stressed or anxious? Reach for a glass of clove water. The aroma of cloves has a calming impact on the mind, while its anti-inflammatory effects reduce the body's response to stress. Studies have shown that clove extract can lower anxiety levels, making it a natural remedy for those overwhelming moments. Advantage 10. Natural energy booster. Host. Need an energy boost without caffeine or artificial additives? Clove water is your answer. The essential oils in cloves, like eugenol and acetyl eugenol, increase energy, alertness, and blood circulation to the brain. Stay focused and productive throughout the day with this simple yet effective drink. And there you have it, the incredible advantages of clove water. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity and even alleviating pain, this natural beverage has so much to offer. Best of all, You can easily make it at home and enjoy its numerous health benefits. So, why not give clove water a try and experience the difference for yourself? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips and recipes.